up guys, and welcome to today's video where we are going to be going over the 3080 Ti. That's right, this bad boy just arrived today and we're going to do a little bit of unboxing and then I'm going to go ahead and get started on crunching the numbers. That way you guys can see the review of hash power, power consumption, all that fun stuff. See if it's worth buying. So let's get into the unboxing. So it does come in the standard Founders Edition box. Nothing too fancy about the box. It's just a Founders Editions box. It does slide open and that reveals the graphics card, where it shows nice RTX 3080 Ti. It kind of holds it nicely. Just plops out just like so. And inside we have not much. You pull off this little fabric here and we have a box. Now in the box we do have the support guide, a warning card, tells you not to do certain things, and the graphics cards come with adapters and stuff. And here are the adapters it comes with. Just the one. It comes with the two 8-pin to 12-pin adapter, and it also comes with a user's guide here. Whoop. A user's guide here. So we're gonna set all that back in here. I don't really need any of it except for the adapter, which we will use in our review when we test out the hash power. So we'll keep that out for now and we'll put all this back in here. Oops, that doesn't go in there. And so we have the normal box, but what you guys have been wanting to see is the graphics card. This chunky behemoth of a card is actually pretty heavy compared to the 3080. And I will go grab my 3080 and I will be right back. Alright, so I'm back. This is the 3080 non-Ti, and this right here is the 3080 Ti. Now, as you can see, they're both pretty much identical. There's not really a huge difference in between the two cards. The only thing is that the 3080 Ti weighs a little bit more, and the only thing really that's different physically is the logo. A little awkward holding two cards. But yeah, there we go. The RTX 3080 Ti and the RTX 3080. Both cards almost identical aside from the branding and the heft of the card. The 3080 Ti is a heavier card, but it looks like Nvidia pretty much took everything from one card, slapped it onto the other, called it good. No. So what are my impressions with the card so far? I've only used it for a few seconds. I'm gonna do the actual testing and post a video on how that has done and how it performs and stacks up to all the other cards that I've tested. But so far, to be honest, it's kind of lackluster. And not only because it has the mining limit on it, which who knows what it would have gotten without. Some people are saying 120, 125, 110. A 3080 gets me about 105. My Asus one gets about 106. My 3080 Strix edition gets 106 mega hashes, and it's doing great, real cool. Price to performance wise, this 3080 Ti is not worth it so far. Now, we'll see maybe other algorithms. I just tested ETH and some other things like that, which I know has the mining limit. But this is just pretty much an unboxing, show you guys what the card looks like. And I mean, it's a pretty card, but it's a 3080 Ti in a 3080. So not really too much. I don't know, guys. Let me know what you guys think about this card. Do you think it's worth it? Should Nvidia have even released it? I mean, for the price that this thing came out for, you could buy Well, at MSRP, you could buy basically two 3080s almost, or two 3070s. So, I don't know. We'll see. I'll post the video here. Hopefully in the next couple of days I'll have all my testing done. So stay tuned for that, and we will catch you guys in the next one. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it down below. And once again, you guys are the best.